So these are the destinations which you should avoid during monsoons. Monsoons, I think in India you should avoid Goa. Actually, Goa is beautiful in monsoons, no doubt about it. Prices are dropped down, but I would suggest go in late monsoons to Goa, like after August. It's good. Little bit you can avoid June, July's in Goa. It's a peak rainy season in Goa. Kerala is having peak rainy season in June, July. So monsoons, I guess, all the destinations which are nearer to sea, you should avoid. I would suggest like Goa, Kerala, Maldives, even Bali in that case. So these are the destinations which you should avoid during monsoons. So in June, July, you can try for Shimla, Manali, or you can try for Gangtok, Sikkim. Leh Ladakh is good in June, July. You can go into the mountains in June, July, and this coastal part you should avoid during monsoons. Europe is good in monsoons. In our monsoon, Europe has the best season. Like from May to September, you can try out any destinations in Europe. In Pune, if you want, you can enjoy Lonavala, Khandala, monsoons में, because these are weekend getaways, ना Saturday Sundays आप जा सकते हो. Nasik is good because Nasik and Trambakeshwar वो सब जो है, it's all about waterfalls, so that you can enjoy. In fact, I would suggest in monsoons ही अगर आपको करना है, then go to this thing, राजस्थान. आपको गुड डील्स मिल जाएंगे मानसून के लिए. केरला में वी प्रमोट सर्टन प्रॉपर्टीज इन केरला इन मानसून्स ऑल्सो, wherein you know that there is like wholesome package. Entire 6 nights we plan out one particular stay, like 2 nights everywhere, like 2 nights in Cochin, 2 nights in Kumarapam, 2 nights in Alleppey or maybe Varkala or something. We give them 5-star stays and everything is planned, like internal transfers are planned, meals are planned. You don't have to go outside the resort. You stay in that 5-star resort and you enjoy the luxury of the resort. So that way, Kerala, you can plan in monsoon in that way. But then you should be safe enough. Coastal areas you should avoid due to heavy rains. And there is no point, investing so much into a destination and then just sitting in a room. And then I would suggest go for a weekend getaways. आपको पता है कि आप रूम में ही रहने वाले हो, but you still want to enjoy the monsoons. थोड़ी देर बाहर गए, हाइक कर लिया, आ गए, या फिर just कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए जा रहे हैं. Then you are again coming back to the room and enjoy. ऐसे कुछ डेस्टिनेशंस आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो 2-3 दिनों के लिए. But planning any heavy itinerary, I would not suggest.